were just gorgeous, weren't they? You could just snuggle them. Anyway, good morning, everybody. This morning it is a cold start to the day. Temperatures in Braemar have fallen away to -4 degrees, -3 in Glasgow, but +5 in London. We've got clear skies around, but in London there's a bit more cloud around and also some showers and a brisk wind down this east coast. A few showers to start the day in Yorkshire and Lincolnshire. They'll tend to fade. And we also have a few showers across western Scotland and Northern Ireland. We could see some develop across Wales, but they will be the exception rather than the rule. For most of us today, it's going to be dry, it's going to be sunny, and there'll be some fair weather cloud developing through the afternoon. Temperatures 7 to about 11 degrees. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, all the cloud and any showers left will clear away from the southeast. We'll have clear skies, just 1 or 2 showers initially in the northwest, and here the breeze is going to pick up. But the other thing you'll find is we'll see a return to some mist and some fog across parts of central and southern Scotland, northwest England, into the Midlands, possibly into East Anglia as well. And with those kind of temperatures, we're looking at a widespread frost away from the northwest. Tomorrow then, high pressure is very much in charge of our weather. So we start off with the mist and fog. It will be slow to lift because there's hardly an isobar on the chart to move it along. So it could linger for much of the morning in places. But when it does lift, again, we're looking at a mostly dry day. However, we do have an approaching weather front coming in from the west. So through the afternoon, the cloud will build in the west and maybe thick enough for the odd spot of drizzle, and the wind will start to pick up as well. But in the sunshine, it will feel pleasant. Temperatures 8 to about 10 degrees. Now, that front will make inroads during the course of Friday night into Saturday. Comes in from the northwest, bringing some rain, and it continues to sink southwards, but it's bumping into that area of high pressure, so increasingly it's weakening. You might get the odd spot coming out of that band of cloud, but that will be it. And then behind it, it brightens up in Scotland and northern parts of Northern Ireland, and ahead of it, we remain in the dry conditions with some sunshine. Temperatures 8 to about 10 degrees. So again, feeling pleasant if you're in the sunshine. Then as we move on into Sunday, the high pressure is still with us south, allowing this weather front to come into the northwest, but there's a wee bit more of a squeeze on the isobars. So here too, the wind will pick up. So we start off on Sunday with some mist and fog. There'll be some frost around first thing as well. When the fog does clear away, we're back into sunny skies. But then we start to see this weather front approach from the northwest, introducing some rain. Temperatures 8 to about 10 degrees north to south. Nugget and Charlie.
Carol, thanks very much. We'll see you later.
Thanks.
All the details for us today. Morning to you, Carol.
Good morning, all. This morning, if you haven't yet ventured out, it is a chilly start to the day. There's some frost around, and we'll have some frost and also some fog patches as we go through the next few mornings. In fact, for the next few days, it's going to be mainly dry. There will be some showers around and some patchy rain, but there'll also be a fair bit of sunshine. Now, we've got that this morning. We've also got some cloud, a brisk wind and some showers across eastern parts of England. The showers fading from Yorkshire and Lincolnshire through the day. A peppering of showers across northern and western Scotland, Northern Ireland, 1 or 2 possibly in Wales. We might catch one in the Midlands, but for most, it's going to be dry and there'll be lengthy sunny spells. Again, through the afternoon, some fair weather cloud developing and temperatures 7 to 11 degrees. So it will feel quite pleasant if you're in the sunshine. Through this evening and overnight, we say goodbye to the cloud and the showers in the far southeast. We'll see some mist and fog patches forming across parts of central and southern Scotland, northwest England, in through the Midlands, possibly East Anglia. But under these clear skies, temperatures are going to fall away. We're looking at a widespread frost to start the day tomorrow. So as well as being a cold start to the day tomorrow, we will have the fog. Now, high pressure is firmly in charge of our weather, and as you can see in the centre of it, there's not one isobar. So we're not looking at much breeze at all to lift the fog, but it will slowly lift as we go through the day. Could stick around till lunchtime, mind you, for some, but when it goes, we're looking at a lot of dry weather once again and a fair bit of sunshine, but just some fair weather cloud. However, in the northwest, the cloud will thicken, we'll see some drizzle, and we'll also see the wind strengthen ahead of a weather front coming in. But temperatures again, 9 to about 10 degrees. So here is that weather front. Overnight Friday into Saturday, it'll bring rain in across Scotland and Northern Ireland, sinking south, bumping into the high pressure, so weakening all the time. So it won't be much more than a band of cloud. with possibly the odd spot of rain in it. But behind it in Scotland and Northern Ireland, it will brighten up, and the same ahead of it for England and for Wales. We're looking at a fair bit of sunshine with temperatures up to 10 degrees. Then into Sunday, well, the high pressure is still with us, but it slips a little bit further south. So you can see more of a squeeze in the isobars in the north and another weather front coming in. So we'll start on a frosty note. There'll be some mist and some fog patches around, especially East Anglia and the southeast. They'll be slow to lift, but when they do, again, a lot of sunshine. Variable amounts of cloud with our weather front making inroads with a strengthening breeze across the northwest, introducing some rain and highs of 10 or 11. But don't forget, you can check out what the weather's going to be like where you are or where you're going on the BBC Weather app. Charlie and Naga.